Throughout the centuries, Catholics have recognized the queenly dignity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. She is considered the mother of the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. The early fathers, doctors of the Church, and the popes have given authoritative expression to the truthful and countless testimonies to this common belief. Theologians have given her the title Queen, for she is after all the Mother of God and is closely associated with the redemptive work of her Son. Eventually, this led to the devotional practice of crowning Marian images across the world to honor her heavenly queenship. In the Philippines, out of hundreds of Marian images venerated in the country, only few Marian images were granted such honor of pontifical coronation in recognition of the miracles and the devotion that surrounds a particular Marian image. These images who received such recognition were called Coronadas, and oftentimes this distinction is added to their titles. During the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines, the route which connected the coastal towns of Ilocos was called Camino Real, or the King's Way. This passage is bedecked with different images of the Queen of Heaven and Earth. Towns of Ilocos region have venerated Marian images that became their beacon of faith. The Pangasinenses have Our Lady of Manaog, while the residents of La Union seek the intercessions of Our Lady of Namakpakan in Luna and Our Lady of Charity in Agoo. Those from Ilocos Sur call on Our Lady of Charity in Bantay. The Cagayanos have Our Lady of Piat. The people of the province of Ilocos Norte have also their own patroness, La Virgen Milagrosa de Bado, thus putting the entire Ilocana region completely under the titular guidance of the Mother of God. Nuestra Señora del Santisimo Rosario de Manaog. The Apobaquet, Pangasinan. It is said that the Virgin of Manaog appeared to a farmer and asked him to build a church in her honor. And later, the place of the apparition was known as Manaog, for it is said that the people would refer to the site as the place where the lady calls. On recorded accounts, it was Father Juan de San Jacinto, a Dominican friar, who brought the image of Our Lady to the Philippines. Over the centuries, countless miracles were attributed to the image. On April 21, 1926, under the pontificate of Pope Pius XI, she was granted a pontifical coronation, and on February 17, 2015, her shrine became a minor basilica and is canonically affiliated with the Papal Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore in Rome.